Hello there, let's talk today about Eufy camera now recording videos. So I have a Eufy camera here. In my case, I have the SoloCam S340, but it works the same for every Eufy camera, okay? So my camera's here on the balcony and nobody is moving there. So right now the camera is not recording because the camera depends on events to record. So let me just come here to the settings. So I click here on the three dots and the gear for settings. And here I see motion detection. That's the first thing that I have to do. Make sure the motion detection is enabled here. So when somebody moves in front of the camera can detect, okay? Then there's also the activity zone. So basically you have the entire zone being monitored at first, but if you want a specific zone, you can just draw a square there, a blue one, and also a green one, two of them. And so you can monitor specific areas just as you see here, right? I don't use this. It comes default with the entire area. I just leave it like this. And then here, detection type. You can select to detect human, vehicle, or all other options. And also adjust detection sensitivity, all right? If your camera is a PTZ like this one, you can enable AI tracking to follow people around. But basically with this setting here, the camera is going to detect motion to start recording. But it's important to understand also that you need to trigger the recording by the type or by the mode that you're using, right? So here on the main screen, again, you see this option for smart. It can vary depending on the camera that you have, but just look for this option here or something similar that you can't find this control, right? So here you have the camera that I want to set up, and here the mode, right? Home, away, disarmed, or schedule, which means when I'm home, for example, the camera is going to follow those instructions. It's going to record video. See here, if I don't check this, the camera is not going to record. Perhaps your camera is like this, unchecked here, for example. So you just need to come here and check. In this case, when I'm at home, the camera still records, but don't send notification, no camera alarms, and no light alarms, right? When I leave home, I change the mode to away. And then here on away, I have different settings: video recording, notification, and camera alarm. But the main here is video recording. So if your Eufy camera is not recording, you must check this one, all right? So pretty simple. After this, the camera will start recording. And when you come here to the camera, you're gonna see the events here. I have 0 because I already checked the events, but if you don't check, you're gonna see some number here. And when I click here, I go to the events. Here's the date. So we have different dates here, so you can check. You see that I have recording just for today. So I come back to today. And here you see I have events by motion and by human detection, right? When somebody walks there, the camera detects and starts recording. So basically that's the way it works, right? So pretty simple. Now you know how to change the settings if your Eufy camera is not recording videos. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments here. Does it work for you? It doesn't work for you yet. So other people can also take a look at your comments, and it's very, very helpful, okay? Consider subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.